What's up you guys, and welcome to the video. So today I'm going to be taking you guys through a tour of my shop. This is going to give you guys some insight to what your future shop can look like, and also what I think is best for functionality in a small 2,600 square foot warehouse. Okay, so let's go over it. So this is our front office. We've got 2 lounge chairs. Always want to make sure your customers are comfortable. We have little electrical outlets for them in case they ever want to charge their phone, keep them busy while they're waiting. Here we've got our displays, and we're adding a new display on the left side today. But basically showing 5, 20, 35, 50, and 70, and giving the customer an idea into what it looks like, right? So like if they want the regular or the ceramic. So we also have a heat demo, and we built all this so that way customers can go from a $200 install or $300 install to a $400, $500 install. Very, very easy upsell technique. Literally, if all you have is chairs and that, you'd be fine. We also have a desk here that has our calendar up and everything up. We have a Venmo barcode here that you guys can scan and customers can pay if they don't want to do processing fees. And we do have a little, processing fee notice that, if they pay card, they do have to pay. So, we add that to the charge as well. Over here, we have one of our friends' coating products, and, we offer it here for people who want to buy it. And inside, we have our warehouse. So this is the newly painted warehouse, all white, which we did ourselves. And basically we have our plotter, we have our film. So our plotter's here. We use film and vinyl design for software. We organize our rolls by sizes and by color. So 5, 20, 35, 50, and 70. Makes things much easier. Got our carts, glass, restroom, washer and dryer. Washer and dryer helps a lot, so you don't have to be taking micros home, back home, back from your house to your shop. Okay, guys, come over here. And here we have a little bit of a mess. We have some orders here, some distribution stuff. We've got pallet jacks. We got a ton of cabinets, and yeah, this is more of like where we package and fulfill. Okay, our detailer is currently working on a project here. Here's where all the office magic is done. This is where I spend a lot of time. Got our displays, got a map of our state, year planned out, all that stuff. So this has been the tour of the shop, guys. We'd like to make it as efficient as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.